Welcome back, Crammers, to question 3. Here is a number scale. On the scale, mark with an arrow the number 554. We can see that we have 550 and 540. So we can find the difference between each indentation as 550 minus 540 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different indentations. We divide this by 5. That means each indentation is equal to 2. So we can see here the number 554 is simply 540. We move this, so this is 2, that's 542, and plus 2, that's 544. So that means it is right here. Here is a different number scale. Write down the number shown marked by the arrow. Again, we can find the difference. We have 3,000 minus 2,000 divided by how many indentations there are, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, divided by 4. That means each indentation is given as 250. So we can simply find this as an indentation is 250. So this simply means 3,000 plus 250 is equivalent to 3,250. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.